Good morning, everybody. I am nice and comfy in my quilt. It is 34 degrees outside, and I refuse to get up to look at the sunrise, even though it's probably so gorgeous. I'm nice and comfy, and I could get the sunrise from where I'm at right here. Let me show you guys. As you can tell, it has been very windy. All last night it was very windy. But I only woke up once. That's because I had to pee, but yeah, these trees helped me a lot, and I'm glad I didn't put up my tent, because that would have bothered me big time, the flapping of the tent with the wind. So this is perfect. Let's see. I'm thinking home-style chicken and rice for this morning. Why not? Let's make this meal. Yeah, I love peak refuel meals. It is chilly. Perfect night to cowboy camp for sure. So the home-style chicken and rice, it says add 1 cup and then let it sit for 10 minutes. So I think it's done. Yep. Oh. Ooh, that smells good already. And let it sit. Nice warm meal. The sun is finally coming out to where I could feel it. Oh, look at it. Yes. Adding that little extra warmth. And yeah, I could have got up and started hiking, but yeah, the sun feels so good. So now I could get out of my quilt. So yeah, the water source that I was mentioning yesterday, last night when I was getting to camp, is about only a mile further from where I'm camped right now. So I'll go there, get some water, and then keep going. And then the next camp, the next water source is Pioneer Picnic Camp. And then I'll keep hiking to get to another water source. We'll see. All right, let's get moving. Oh, I'm sure it's gonna be so much colder once I get out of these trees. Wind. Oh, the sun feels so good. Incredible. Okay, let's get shuffling. Hiker shuffle in the morning. My body's like, what? What are you doing? I think it's been a lot harder also because it's been so cold, and my body, it just takes your body so much more time to warm up. You know, you can do all the stretching you can in the morning, but it's still super cold, so your body's just confused. In love. So there's water here at mile 48, but I'm sure this is just from the snowmelt because it's not on far out. So this is just lucky for us. But anybody starting near my date, I'm sure this will be flowing a little bit longer. So yeah, since I was able to get water there, I don't think I will get off and go to the Sunset water spigot because that's off trail a bit. So no reason to do that. Just make it to Pioneer Mail Camp, and then there's water there. So if I need to refill, get some there, and then continue. And we'll be down there soon. Going down to Scissors Crossing. Going down. So we're almost to Pioneer Mail Camp, picnic area, and there's a really cool sign here that shows like the mileage of the trail. It's one of my favorite signs on the trail. So yeah, just 0.5 away from that, and then I'll take a little break, get some water, and then keep going. So Pioneer Camp, the picnic area is just around this corner over here, and then the trail goes all the way up here, and an awesome view. So that's where I'm going next. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna go up there, take a little break, get some water, and then continue. Canada, here we come. It looks like somebody left water. I haven't went and checked the other water, like the faucet, but there's water left. That's awesome. But I'm just going to, let's see, where's my electrolyte drink? Over here. Drink my electrolyte drink and take a little break and then keep moving. 5 miles in for the day. I thought there would be hikers staying here because I stayed here in 2018. It's a nice camp spot, but nobody's here. They must have left early. Everybody I met yesterday stayed at the Laguna Lodge, so they probably haven't even left yet because it's 8 a.m. right now, and they're probably still sleeping in the hotel room. But yeah, I'm already 10 miles past Laguna, so I don't know when they'll catch me. Maybe on like when I'm taking a zero, trying to upload videos or something. Okay, let's keep going. Non-potable water. Not true. We've got Sawyers. Oh wow, look at that. There you go. Yep, that's how cold it got last night. But I was nice and comfy in my 5-degree quilt. Let's see if this works. No. But that's plenty of water for a while. For the early starters, at least.